For my ice water challenge, I've decided to use 10 bags of ice. Yeah, 10 bags. I like the number 10. I think we're going to use that as a theme. What we did was we put 5 of the bags of ice in the big dunk tank here, and then we took and put 1 bag of ice in each of the coolers here, and we're not sure what happened with the water there, but who cares? I ain't scared. Let's do this. Alright, I'm ready to do this my way. We got a big old tank here. I'm going to get in it. It's probably pretty cold. But since I used 10 bags of ice, I'm going to call out 10 people. I'm going to call out Dave Wood, my very best friend in the whole wide world. Dave Thomas, the board president. Chad Barrows, my good neighbor. Josh Cyrus, my next door neighbor. Aaron Lynch. Brittany Hardesty, an Ice a Day tenant from the Humane Society. Avery Johnson, Renita Ruiz, and Nikki Lurdy. All right, guys, let's do this.
Have fun!
You really don't
Yes.
Time for number 2!
Hurry up.
Your idea.
Go home! Daddy, go big or go home.
Go big or go home. I got cold balls.
That's nice.
Last one coming up.
Ooh.
I want to save this one for Avery. Oh,
No!
I think I've already got it.
gosh, it myself.
Okay, that was good, guys. Thank you very much. Hope everybody else does. This is for a good cause. Love you guys.